In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Audio-Technica LP60X to speakers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up any set of speakers that you have and connect it to your Audio-Technica LP60X. I'm going to show you what I believe is the most convenient way to do it. However, you can explore other venues if this one isn't working for you. So the one that I'm going to showcase in this video is going to be through Bluetooth. The Audio-Technica LP60X features Bluetooth connectivity, and as long as your set of speakers, soundbar, or even a set of headphones also features Bluetooth, you will be able to get them connected. So first, set up the actual speakers that you want to connect. So as an example, I chose a standard speaker from Audio-Technica as well, and then this Bose soundbar. So all that you have to do is set them into pairing mode. For this set of speakers, all that you would have to do is to press the pairing button, and for the Bose soundbar, you use the Bluetooth button on the remote. Basically, just read the manual for your specific set of speakers and put them into pairing mode. Once they are in Bluetooth pairing mode, you will be able to start this process. Now, you just have to do the same. So if you look in the Audio-Technica LP60X, you will also find the Bluetooth button available in here. So just press and hold that button until it flashes. Once the button is flashing, it indicates that the device is also in pairing mode. And once both devices, the speaker and the Audio-Technica LP60X, are in pairing mode, you will be able to get this done. Just make sure that they are in close proximity and let them be for a while. After they stay in pairing mode for a couple of seconds, they will connect between themselves, and this is going to work for any standard set of speakers, soundbar, and headphones that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth speaker or how to connect Audio-Technica LP60X to speakers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.